Hello everyone and welcome to the Sticker Virtual Travel Agency channel. And today we are going to talk about how to create presentation using Canva. First of all, you have to Google and write Canva. Go to the website and there is an option to log in via Google. You go in and see the home page. At the top of the page you will find a number of templates available on the site. In the list you will find a presentation. Click and choose a template you like. For example, you have chosen this design. To change the color of the slide, you click on the slide and square with the color, you click on it and choose. To upload a picture or a video, you have to go to Downloads and click to Upload Media. Once uploaded, you can drag and drop the picture or video into the slide. Also, you can change the shape of the picture. Go into the elements and scroll down to the frames. Click on the frame and then drag the picture to the slide. You click on the picture and put it in the frame. You can do the same with video. You have the ability to change the font of the images, pictures and graphics. To change the font, you click on the text and you will see a list of fonts on the right-hand side. There are also pre-designed fonts. If we talk about video, then you can choose which fragment you want to be on the slide. Another interesting feature of Canvas is the graphics. You can find many interesting GIFs and pictures here. You can choose animation, both to pictures and to text. And what is more important, you can save your presentation as a video or as a PDF file and convert into a PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching our video.